Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter Microsoft Store not downloading or updating any apps on the system, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first thing we need to do is go to Microsoft Store and try a simple fix of just signing out and then signing in. So click on the profile button here and then click on sign out and then try to sign in again and then try to install or update the Microsoft Store and it should work. If it doesn't, then we need to reset Microsoft Store. So for that, we'll press the Windows key and the R button to bring up the run dialog box and we will enter the command ws reset and click enter. Now you can see that Windows has resetted itself and now it should work for you. If this too doesn't work for you, then the final and the surefire option is to re-register Windows Store. But before that, we will run the SFC scan. So for that, we'll go to command prompt and we will click on run as administrator to run it in the elevated command mode. And we will enter the command sfc space /scannow and press enter and wait for the scan to run. While the scan is running also, we can just go for a Windows update. So look for settings, Windows update, and then click on check for updates and install any updates that are there and restart the computer. Now finally we will try re-registering the Windows Store. So for that we will copy this command. You will find this command in the description of the video and you will open PowerShell in the elevated mode. So right click on it, click on run as administrator and then we will just paste this here and press enter and you should see that it will re-register Windows Store and then it should work perfectly. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.